What's up, all you Superbee lovers? Look at this 1969 with an air grabber. Nice. You know, I'm an air grabber lover. Superbee 440 4-speed. Let's see here. Oh, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. 49,000 miles only. Wow. Very cool. It's got a Dana on the back. Superbee. Great color. Love these tail lights, right? I like them the best, believe it or not. Look how clean this is. Absolutely clean. With the 6-pack on the air grabber. Man. Love to add that to my collection, huh? You want to see some more Mopars? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Florida Car Show.